So all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So with this message, I am trying to do something playful in Canva. So doing something different. So let's do something unique and something playful in Canva. So let's start with it. So I am choosing my favorite Instagram post square format in Canva, which is my favorite frame format. So I'll be going to elements, and as you can see, I have chosen some line notebook here, which is free to use for Canva Pro. But if you want to use it in absolutely free format, you can download it from any type of third-party apps or something like that. So the things which we require is line notebook, a picture of cat, and this shadow, drop shadow. Okay, so these are the three things which will help us to design this image. So let's start with it. So first I'll be using this line notebook and just tilt a bit here. Okay, so like this, and use the image of the cat. Okay, so again I will tilt it according to the notebook. So like this, and slightly I will make it or bring it to the outer side. Okay, so that the effect or this editing looks a bit better. Okay, so like this I will bring, and now I will just crop the image by holding on this edge and do like this. Okay, so one part is done, and for the next part I will just duplicate it, bring it here and make it bigger again or the full scale again, and crop it from the other side or the top edge. Okay, so like this we will crop. Okay, so this part is done. Let's just move it a bit further so that it looks better. Now we will work or bring the shadow part. Okay, so to bring the shadow part here, as you can see, it is also a pro thing, but if you want a free version to use, you can directly go to elements and you will find some free versions here also, like this one and this one you can use for free. But for this editing, the first one looks great, so we are using that. Make it a bit smaller so that it comes right here. Okay, a bit bigger. Now I will crop it till here. Okay, and just adjust it according to the image of the cat. Okay, so let's zoom in and adjust, and I will keep it like this. Let's crop slightly more and place it right here. Okay, and for the next one we will just duplicate it and make it with the full scale and just crop out till here. Okay, and place it right here. So now it looks like the cat is attached with the line notebook, and some illusion type effect is created here. So hope you like this simple tutorial, and for more editing you can just put a background gradient here. I will use this third gradient which looks good for me, and here is a playful tutorial, a simple one, and hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you like this simple tutorial or not.